In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to command a nano banana in cinematic poster style. We're going to start simple and move quickly, so open your web browser and head to Google. This ensures you're starting from a clean slate and can easily find the official tools you need. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. You're looking for Google's generative AI platform, which includes an image creation feature we'll use for that cinematic poster look. When the results load, click the official Google Gemini website. It should be on the gemini.google.com domain. If you see sponsored results or third-party sites, skip those and stick with the official link for the best experience and security. Once you're in the Gemini app, locate the Create Image button. Go ahead and click it. That's the switch that activates the Nano Banana feature inside Gemini's image generation workspace, and it will open the interface where you'll compose your idea. On the image creation panel, click the plus sign to upload a reference image. This is optional but incredibly helpful. A clear, well-lit reference gives the model direction for pose, composition, or mood. Use an image you have the right to use and pick something that supports your concept, a pose that matches the energy you want, or a background that hints at your setting. JPEG and PNG are safe bets, and higher resolution usually helps the tool read details more accurately. Now write your prompt. You can use the examples in a confident young man walking forward inside a dimly lit restaurant, half transformed into a venom-like symbiote creature. To push it toward a cinematic poster style, keep your phrasing clear and visual. Mention mood, lighting, and composition. Things like dramatic rim lighting, high contrast, shallow depth of field, or a wide-angle, low-angle hero shot. If color matters, note it. Cool blue highlights, warm amber practicals, or moody neon accents. You can also nudge the finish by describing textures and atmosphere like mist, rain streaks, or glossy reflections on the floor. When your prompt feels focused, click Submit. The model will generate a set of images based on your text and any reference you provided. Give it a moment to process. That's it. You've commanded the Nano Banana to render a cinematic poster-style visual of your idea. If the result is close but not perfect, refine a few words, tighten the mood and lighting cues, and submit again. Small prompt adjustments often make big improvements. And there you have it, from Google to Gemini to Create Image, upload a helpful reference, craft a precise prompt, and submit for a bold poster-ready result.